welcome back to ForB's English lesson video. My name is Richard, and today we're going to take a look at these two words, continual and continuous. Do you know the difference? Alright, so let's take a look at two example sentences. Number one, we had continual rain last night. Number two, we had continuous rain last night. Do you know the difference? Alright, so continual means periodic and continuous means non-stop. Alright, so let's take a look at these two illustrations. So let's take a look at number one. This illustration shows continual rain. So from 8 p.m. to 12 a.m., as you can see, here it's raining, here it is not. Here it is raining, here it is not. And then here it is also raining. So this is continual rain. Alright, so let's take a look at number two, continuous rain. So from here, you can see it's raining, still raining, and still raining until here. So continuous rain is non-stop rain, not like this rain up here. So from 8 p.m. to 12 a.m. is just non-stop rain, as you can see. Alright? Alright, so let's practice these two sentences together. Please repeat after me. Number one, we had continual rain last night. Great. And number two, we had continuous rain last night. Great. So now you know the difference between continual and continuous. My name is Richard. Remember to please click like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.